Hey everyone, today we are going to solve another lead code question, which is longest continuous increasing subsequence. Given an unsorted array of integer nums, return the length of the longest continuous increasing subsequence, that is subarray, and the length of the subsequence must be strictly increasing. So what do you mean by strictly increasing? I'll explain you. Suppose the array is given as this, and it is not strictly increasing array, because for an array to be strictly increasing, all the numbers should be in the increasing order. Like in this array 1 2 3 is in increasing order, but the number 3 is repeated, so it is not in strictly increasing order. And on the other side, if the array is given as this, so it is a strictly increasing array because every number is in the increasing order, so it is a strictly increasing array. Now in the question, the example one is given as the nums array is 1, 3, 5, 4 and 7, and we have to find the length of the strictly increasing array or the subsequence. So in this array, 1, 3 and 5 are in strictly increasing order, and if we see 4, the number 4 is reduced from 5, so it is in the decreasing order. So we will not take 4, and the answer will be 1, 3 and 5. That is the length of 135, which is 3. So the output is 3. And in this array, all the numbers are same. So the output will be 1 only, because nothing is in increasing order. So the output is 1. Now let's code it. We will take an answer variable and a count variable to 1. Because if nothing is in increasing order, then the output will be 1 only. Now we'll make a loop till the size of the array. Nums.size -1, because we have to compare two elements in the array. I plus plus, and then we will compare two elements. If nums of I is less than nums of I plus 1, then we will increase the count and we will take the maximum of count and the answer. Else what we will do? We will make the count as 1, and then we will simply return answer. So the solution is accepted. Now let's submit it. It is submitted. So this was the solution for this question, and you have to just find the subsequence of the strictly increasing subarray, the length of the subsequence of the strictly increasing subarray.